Hi, so during this Rife presentation, I'm going to go through some of the quick features and help you understand the time duration depending on the items that you select within the Rife. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the Rife. So the first thing is you're going to be presented with this page. Now, if you have purchased the Royal Rife app through the App Store, in other words, you've made the purchase through your Google Play Store or through your App Store, and you want to restore the purchase, you would go ahead and click on the Buy Now. However, if you have purchased the app through one of our websites, our Insight Health app websites, or one of our affiliates or distributors, you would need to log in as an existing customer. So for illustration purposes, I'm going to go ahead and show you the Buy Now feature. So the Buy Now, if I go ahead and select that, this will bring you up to the iTunes or the App Store option where you're purchasing. As you can see, you will go ahead and select one of those items, or if you click on Restore My Purchases, again, this is only if you have purchased through the App Store. If you do get to this page, you can just go ahead and click on Login. You can enter in your email and your password, and then you will log in as per normal. So just going back to the Rife, I'm going to go ahead and log in as an existing customer. So now that I have logged in as an existing customer, there's a few things I'd like to bring to your attention. First of all, with the Rife app, there is no voice analysis. And in other words, it is up to you to decide and select any one of these items that you wish to provide balancing for. To go ahead and to activate the process, you would select the item, and then at the top corner, in the top, you have the area where you can select the time. Now, this time is very important. If you go ahead and select 10, what this is implying is that depending on how many frequencies are in this specific item, it will spend a total of 10 seconds per item. Now, a lot of these items, we have 10, 15, 20 different frequencies. So your time duration is going to be the 10 seconds times it by the 20 or the 30 different frequencies that we have. So to give you an illustration, I'm going to go ahead and click on play. And as you can see, the duration here noted by this box which has appeared is the duration is 1 minute and 40. Even though we only set it for 10 seconds, but because we have numerous items, it adjusts accordingly. So please certainly bear that in mind. I'm going to go ahead and click on stop. In the top left-hand corner, you can add your own items that we've discussed in a previous visit. And in the top right-hand corner, as I mentioned, it is always important if you have purchased, even through the App Store or through our website, is to go into the sign up and log in, and to actually either log in or to sign up. Your login information you will receive via an email from Insight Health Apps. If you click on the info button, here you can see we have some text description just to provide you with some further insights into the use of the Royal Rife app. If you click the support button, you can go ahead and email as well. I'm just going to go ahead and click back to the home button. So in summary, I hope this has made sense to you. Again, just a gentle reminder, this 5 seconds or 56 seconds, it will vary, the actual time duration will vary depending on how many different frequencies we have. As an example, acne for the secondary infection, I've set this at 56 seconds. If I click start, as you can see, the time is now 5 minutes and 36 seconds. If you have the Geo harness or the wearable PEMF device or an energy coil, you can attach the energy coil and use the Rife app with any of the hardware applications that we have. You do not need to actually listen to the audio sounds. It can be just below the audio level. Another option as well is if you do have headphones, you can plug in your headphones, and instead of actually listening to the frequencies, you can take the headphones and place it over a specific area of the body that you want to work on. As an example, let's say you have acute pain on your wrist. Go ahead and select acute pain, and then you can take your earphones and actually place them directly over your wrist, and then that will provide a localized Rife therapy for acute pain. Thank you.